Don't fret, Nature-san. The chances of Teio not approaching you today is 0%. After Ikuno received her birthday wishes from Teio and I didn't, can't help but feel a bit disappointed. Does it make me clingy? Ah! Teio!
Found ya! Happy birthday, Natty! I wanted to be the last one today who said it.
Thank you. Wait, is that why you avoided me?
Hey! I wanted to stand out. It is either being the first or the last one, and I'm not fighting Marvy for the former. To make it up for the wait, in a few days, you can be the special one who says it to me first. Maya will be asleep anyway. How does that sound?
Well, if to feel special is your idea of a present, the one you got me for Christmas is dominating by the distance. Some Uma's getting spoiled.
Oh, really? Some Uma's getting spoiled? Then, you can not only wake me up on my birthday, but cook breakfast too.